Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can unfollow on Twitter. So, in order to do that, open the Twitter profile or Twitter account that you would like to unfollow, and at the top of this account, right beneath the banner that each account has, you have the button that says that its current status is following, which means that you follow this Twitter page, and if you would like to unfollow it, just tap at the same button like so, and go for the unfollow at username option. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.